Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video channel. I'm excited to show you guys the 3D scanner machine can help your clean it a lot faster in terms of making crown for your patient. So here's the case in point, tube number 24 and 25, very tiny little tip to get the good impression whether you do a conventional way or a digital way. But the good thing is with the Medit500 machine, I can scan this after I prep the tube. These are two endodontic treated tube. I can prep the tube, and the lab can actually give me the two crown, zirconium crown, within a few days. Very fast for your patient compared to taking impression traditional way. So anyway, I am at a step using the GChem linkage cement. After etching bonding, apply on this two tip here. We're going to use this cement, and we're going to cement these two in the after we put the cement in, we will hit the light a few seconds, maybe 3 to 5 seconds on a facial aspect. Same thing on the lingo. And then we can, after we do this step, we can take out the accessory cement with the Explorer. And after we do this, we will getting ready for flossing. After the so that you could see this these with the digital scanner, you can get the crown real quick. So it's so fast and so easy. I love it. Now I'm flossing the tip and get rid of those accessory cement. After we do all these steps, we're going to cure one more time to make sure that all the cement is completely set. And this case should last a long time as long as you have the good margin of your prep, and as long as the patient is in good hygiene, follow instruction daily. So here come the final step. You can see that we remove most of the cement. There's a tiny bit of the cement on the number 24 area, distal area. We're going to get rid of them with floss, some more floss. And here's the final picture. It's, the patient love it. We show the patient. We're both happy. The case done fast. Wasn't a lot of delay. Just more than a week. Then it should be done. The case was done in 3 days, but take time to send it back to us and reschedule for patient. We're all happy. We have so I encourage any dentists that haven't tried Medit500, try it. Now they even have Medit700, latest technology for this Korean company. I'm happy to share with you some result. Any question, comment, feel free to contact me or make comment on my channel here. I'm more than happy to answer you. And follow up my channel, see more day-to-day case. Enjoy your day, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.